Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Agriculture. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but now we are back with consistency and a clear mission to help you in your UPSC preparation journey. In this series, we are covering UPSC topics based on the old pattern so that you can build a strong conceptual foundation, which is extremely important for both prelims and mains. Also, I want to inform you that in this video, I am using an AI-generated voice to ensure better clarity and understanding. The goal is simple: to deliver content in the most effective way possible. One important thing: UPSC preparation requires accuracy and self-verification. So I strongly recommend that you cross-check all the information provided in this video with standard books and official sources. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive into today's topic. I previously said that questions in UPSC have been repeatedly asked in the examination. If would analysis last 10 years of questions paper, you will get to know about this. So I took some of questions from the previous year question papers. UPSC Agriculture Optional, Soilscience बटा न्यूट्रिएंट मैनेजमेंट PYQs 2019 से 2025. 2019 UPSC Agriculture Optional, Paper I2, Soil Nutrient. Q. Explain the reasons for low availability of phosphorus in soil and suggest agronomic practices to improve phosphorus use efficiency. This theme appeared in 2019 Agriculture Optional Paper. Similar topic is available in PYQ Banks compilations. Scribd. Explanation. Here UPSC asks about phosphorus fixation and release. What causes low availability, fixation by Fa, Ca, pH effects, and what agronomic interventions improve its use efficiency, band placement, organic matter, PSB, liming acid soils. 2020 UPSC Agriculture Optional, Paper I2, related to soil fertilizers. Q. With reference to chemical fertilizers in India, consider the following statements. At present, the retail price of chemical fertilizers is market-driven and not administered by the government. Ammonia, which is an input of urea, is produced from natural gas. Sulfur, which is a raw material for phosphoric acid fertilizer, is a byproduct of oil refineries. Which of the statements given above are correct? MCQ pattern used in mains context. Explanation. This question tests understanding of fertilizer industry inputs, retail pricing policy, industrial sources of ammonia and sulfur, and how these affect nutrient availability and cost structures. Q. Discuss nutrient losses from submerged rice soils and measures to reduce them. Typical phrasing in 2020 Agriculture Optional relating to soil and losses. See trends in question sets. Explanation. UPSC frequently explores nitrogen dynamics in waterlogged soils, denitrification, leaching, volatilization, role of temperature, moisture, aeration, and management like alternate wetting and drying, use of ammoniacal fertilizers. 2021 UPSC Agriculture Optional, Paper I2. Q. What are the major losses of nitrogen in submerged rice soils? Suggest methods to minimize such losses. Recurring theme based on pattern from 2018, B's trend toward nitrogen reactions in flooded soils. Explanation. Here UPSC focuses on nitrogen transformations under anaerobic conditions, denitrification under low redox potential, and management like nitrification inhibitors, green manures, water management. 2022 UPSC Agriculture Optional, Paper I2. Q. Define nitrogen use efficiency (NUE). Discuss its constraints in Indian soils and suggest measures to improve NUE. This exact wording requires verification against official paper I2 2022 PDFS, but the theme is a repeated one in agriculture optional nutrition. Explanation. NUE is a core concept, how much applied NIS actually taken UP by crops, constrained by losses, soil status, management, and improved by split application, inhibitors, organic amendments. Q. Discuss the forms of potassium in soil and factors affecting its availability to plants. This appears in topic-wise PYQ compilations. Exact wording occurs frequently in agriculture optional. Explanation. Here UPSC targets forms of K, water-soluble, exchangeable, non-exchangeable mineral fixation in clay lattices, and release mechanisms. 2023 UPSC Agriculture Optional Paper I2. Q. Explain phosphorus fixation in soils with respect to soil pH and discuss its release mechanisms for plant uptake. This is a directly recurring question theme seen across PYQ compilations, often reused with slight language change. Explanation. Low pH alpha fixation, high pH Ca fixation, availability optimum 6.5-7.5 pH release via organic acid exudates, microbial solubilization, soil amendments. Q. Outline the nitrogen cycle in soil and discuss how management practices can enhance nitrogen use efficiency. Expected type of question based on trend of 2021-23 PYQs. Many PYQ banks show nitrogen cycle based questions. Explanation. Covers fixation, mineralization, nitrification, denitrification, volatilization, immobilization, leaching. Management includes balanced fertilization, inhibitors, precision placement. 2024 UPSC Agriculture Optional Paper I2. Q. What do you understand by nutrient use efficiency? Discuss the nutrient use efficiency of macro and micronutrients in Indian soils. Confirmed theme in 2024 Agri Optional Paper. Direct extracts from sources such as IFFCO plant nutrition questions. Exact phrasing may vary. Edurev.in. Explanation. Macronutrients, NPK, micro, Fe, ZNB, CUMN, constraints and enhancement strategies. Q. Describe the forms of sulfur in soil and factors affecting its availability to plants. 2024 questions often integrate emerging nutrient topics like sulfur, common in PYQ banks. Explanation. S. Extracted as SO, affected by organic matter, microbial oxidation, leaching. 2025 UPSC Agriculture Optional Paper I2. Q. Explain the principles of efficient fertilizer use in crop production and suggest measures to improve fertilizer use efficiency in India. This is directly from 2025 Agriculture Optional Paper 1 based on multiple aspirant resources. Prep. Explanation. Covers balanced fertilization, soil testing, site-specific nutrient management, slow-release formulations, organic integrations. Q. Discuss the role of biofertilizers and organic amendments in enhancing soil fertility and nutrient availability. Frequently asked and present in 2025 papers in varying phrasing, reflects trend toward organic biofertilizer questions. Explanation. Explains roles of Rhizobium, Azotobacter, PSB, organic matter decomposition, microbial-mediated nutrient supply, soil structure improvements. 2024 UPSC Optional. Question. What do you understand by nutrient use efficiency? Discuss nutrient use efficiency of macro and micronutrients in Indian soils. Here the UPSC is focusing on the definitions and then how N, P, K and micronutrients behave. Explanation: 2025 UPSC Agriculture Optional Paper 1. Question: explain the principles of efficient fertilizer use in crop production and suggest measures to improve fertilizer use efficiency in India. Now this question tests. Continue with explanation. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope this session helped you understand the topic in a clear and structured way. Remember, consistency is the key in UPSC preparation, so make sure you revise this part properly. We will continue this topic in the next video, where we go deeper and cover the remaining concepts in detail. And once again, don't forget to cross-check the information from standard sources. This habit will make a big difference in your preparation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Beyond Agriculture for more such content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.